Do you ever get stuck when you want to speak English, thinking, what's that simple word again?
Or maybe you already know many fancy words but still can't speak fluently in daily life.
Then stay with us, because today we're going to make your English life easier.
We'll show you how simple, daily use English words can make your conversation smooth, confident, and natural.
Welcome back to Simple English Space. I'm Anna.
And I'm Maxie. Today's topic is super practical. We're going to talk about important daily use English words.
That's right. You don't need complicated words to sound good. You just need the right words for daily life. Words you can use every day, everywhere.
And by the end of this episode, you'll be able to use them naturally and confidently.
So grab your notebook, sit back, and let's make your English more powerful, one simple word at a time.
Many learners think, if I learn big, difficult words, I'll sound smart. But in reality, most English conversations use very simple words like go, come, take, make, get, and want.
Yes. Think about it. You hear, I want coffee. Let's go out. She's making dinner. These are simple words, but they make 80% of everyday communication.
Exactly. So mastering daily use words is the real key to fluency.
Fluency doesn't mean speaking fast. It means speaking clearly and naturally, without stopping to think too much.
And to do that, you must know how to use simple words flexibly in many situations.
Right. Let's start with 5 powerful words you can use every single day. Get, make, take, go, and come.
Yes, these are called core verbs, short, common, but super useful.
Okay, let's have a short conversation using daily use words.
Sure, I'll be Tom and you'll be Lisa.
Hey Tom, what time do you get up in the morning?
Usually around 6:30, I take a shower and make breakfast.
Nice. What do you have for breakfast?
Just coffee and toast. How about you?
I go jogging first, then come home and eat eggs.
Sounds healthy. Do you go to work after that?
Yes, but sometimes I get late because of traffic.
Ugh, I hate that. I always take the bus early.
That's smart. I should make a better plan tomorrow.
Or maybe get a new alarm clock.
Good idea. See, we used only a few simple words. Get, make, take, go, come, but they built a complete natural conversation.
Exactly. You don't need difficult vocabulary to sound fluent. You just need to know how to use simple ones well.
Let's talk about some real tips our listeners can use.
Tip number 1. Focus on repetition, not perfection. The more you repeat simple words in daily context, the more confident you become.
Tip number 2. Use daily life to practice. When you cook, say, I'm making breakfast. When you leave home, say, I'm going to school.
Tip number 3. Create mini sentences. For example, take one word like get and make 10 sentences. I get up early. I get tired easily. I get hungry at noon. I get home late. Each one teaches you how to use the word in different situations.
Beautiful. Small steps every day. That's how fluency grows.
Let's be honest, many learners give up because they think English is too hard.
Yes, but the truth is, English becomes easier when you stop chasing perfection.
You don't have to sound like a native speaker. You just need to communicate.
Exactly. Communication means connection, not perfection.
Even simple words can make people smile, help you make friends, and open doors in your career.
That's right. So don't say, my English is bad. Instead, say, my English is improving every day.
The words you speak shape the way you feel. Be kind to yourself when you practice.
Now, let's quickly go through 10 important daily use words everyone should know and use. Get, to receive, become, or obtain. I get hungry. I get a gift. I get better. Make, to create or prepare something. I make breakfast. Don't make noise. Take, to grab, accept, or do an action. Take a photo. Take your time. Go, to move from one place to another. Go to work. Go home early. Come, to move toward the speaker. Come here. Come with me. Have, to own or experience. I have a book. I have fun. Want, to desire or wish for something. I want pizza. Need, stronger than want, means necessary. I need help. Do, to perform an action. Do homework. Know, to understand or be aware. I know you. I know the answer.
These 10 words are your daily tools. You can create hundreds of sentences with just these.
Okay, let's test understanding with 5 reflective questions.
Question 1. Why are daily use words important?
Answer, because they are the building blocks of natural conversation. You use them in almost every sentence at school, work, or home. Without them, you may know grammar but can't speak easily. Learning them first makes speaking smoother and faster.
Question 2. How can you practice these words every day?
Answer, try using them in real situations. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your day. I get up, I make breakfast, I go to work. Repetition turns memory into habit.
Question 3. What should you do if you forget a word while speaking?
Answer, don't panic. Use another word or explain it simply. For example, if you forget umbrella, say the thing for rain. Communication is more important than accuracy.
Question 4. How can you build confidence in speaking English?
Answer, start small. Speak short sentences daily. Don't wait until you're perfect. Mistakes are normal. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become.
Question 5. What is the biggest mistake learners make when studying vocabulary?
Answer: memorizing without using. Knowing a word isn't enough. You must use it in sentences. Practice makes it part of your real English, not just your memory.
You know, Anna, sometimes people think, I've learned so many words, but I can't speak.
That's because they learn to remember, not to use.
Right. The brain learns faster when you use words in daily life.
Yes, English is not a subject, it's a tool. You learn it to live, not just to pass a test.
And remember, every native speaker once learned words too. Even babies learn one word at a time. Mama, go, eat.
So don't be ashamed of learning slowly. Slow learning is still learning.
That's a great point. Consistency beats speed.
Exactly. If you learn just 5 new words a day, that's 150 words a month. Imagine how powerful your English will be after 1 year.
Amazing, right? So stay consistent, stay positive, and keep practicing.
Okay, it's quiz time. Let's see what you've learned today.
Ready? Here we go!
Question 1. Which word means to create something? A, take. B, make. Answer: B, make. Question 2. If you say, I up early every morning, which word fits best? A, get. B, go. Answer: A, get. Question 3. Which word means to move from one place to another? A, go. B, have. Answer: A, go. Question 4. Which word means to want something necessary? A, need. B, do. Answer: A, need. Question 5. If you say, blank, you know my friend Lisa, what word completes the sentence? A, do. B, get. Answer: A, do. You did it! If you followed this episode from start to end, you just learned how to make simple words powerful.
Remember, English doesn't have to be hard. You don't need big vocabulary. You need useful vocabulary.
That's right. Every word is a tool. The more you use it, the sharper it becomes.
And don't compare yourself to others. Everyone's English journey is different.
True. The goal is progress, not perfection.
You're already improving right now by listening, repeating, and learning with us.
So go out, use your English every day, and believe in yourself.
Because the most important English word you can say today is, I can.
And that's it for today's lesson on important daily use English words. You've done a great job learning how simple words can make a big difference in your English speaking.
Before we go, here's a question for you. What is your favorite daily English word that you use the most? Tell us in the comments below.
And here's something to think about for our next lesson. Do you know how to use polite English expressions when talking to others? We'll talk about that soon.
Keep practicing every day and remember, progress comes one word at a time.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos.